Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to have some autumn fun and this is what we're going to be making. So here's an example of what we're going to be. So this is what we're going to be making. A tree. There's autumn with pencil sharpenings on and lots of different coloured leaves. And here's what we need. So, what we need is some crayons, some coloured crayons, a black pen, some other pencils maybe, a pencil to outline maybe, and a pencil sharpener. And yeah, and some glue here. And maybe you can have like your finger or a spoon. So this is what we need to do. So we can put this paper on landscape and we can do a tree. Okay. So with our crayons here, we can sharpen them with our sharpener, and then we can do this with all the sharpened things. So we can use these, or we can use the pencils, okay? We can use both if you want. Now, so first, what you need to do is use your brown crayon and do a tree trunk and make it nice and tall, but not too tall. Okay, there. Now, we've finished our branch and our branches and our tree trunk. Now, we can use our leaves that we sharpened up, and before we do that, we can use our black pen to outline our thing. So it's like outline the tree branch and the trunk and the twigs that are sticking out maybe for more detail. There. Now with our pen also we can use, like, remember on trees they have like some circles, sort of like some holes and some wiggly lines. Okay, so let's do that. There we go. Now it looks more like a tree with a little hole in for the animals to go in. Now let's use our leaves and our glue. So with our spoon or finger, with the glue, we can dab it into the glue and then dab it onto the tree branches. So we can use some leaves. There. Now also we can do some falling leaves so it's like autumn. And last thing, we can put all the leaves on the floor. Yeah. So we can add more leaves if you don't think there are so much leaves. So it's like an autumn tree. So maybe if you would like, you can add some more like autumn stuff, like some animals to give it more detail and stuff. And you can draw you can draw like the sun or the clouds to make it like a real picture. So let's just do one little animal. Okay. Now we finished our project, our autumn fun. Hope you liked my video and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.